friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of the Society of Saint Ursula, founded on 16th June 1606 by Andexanthons. 2021 marks the quadricentennial death anniversary of our foundress. It is an occasion to look back to the source and look forward with hope. It's a time for counting God's manifold blessings and recalling His accompaniment in the birth, growth, and laborious journey of the congregation. The Venerable Foundress's life and inspiration to begin our congregation, her animation and steering of it are worth recalling and reflecting because they can be highly motivating to trigger and recapture the original spirit and vigor. We are grateful to God, and it gives us great joy and enthusiasm to inaugurate the YouTube channel of the Society of Saint Ursula of Andexanthons.
Great is the Lord God, worthy of all praises. He is a source and strength for us. Great is the Lord God who called our fountain's mother, and she is the spring of hope for us. Fountain's mother and patron Saint Ursula, with grateful song we sing to you. Foundress Mother and patron Saint Ursula, we love to walk in your footsteps. We recount your blessings with joyful heart we salute. We recount your blessings with joyful heart we salute. Our foundress is water to live is Christ and that is gain. Filled with passion and love for Christ, you are the agent of women empowerment, transforming the young girls and servants. Foundress Mother and patron Saint Ursula, with grateful song we sing to you. Foundress Mother and patron Saint Ursula, we love to walk in your footsteps. We recount your blessings with joyful heart we salute. We recount your blessings with joyful heart we salute. Our foundress committed to the faith formation, carrying little lamps to the world, set us ablaze with the flame of love and knowledge, grants him to radiant God's light to all. Foundress Mother and patron Saint Ursula, with grateful song we sing to you. Foundress Mother and patron Saint Ursula, we love to walk in your footsteps. We recount your blessings with joyful heart we salute. We recount your blessings with joyful heart we salute.
Dear friends, as we celebrate this important milestone in the life, journey and growth of our society, along with all our collaborators, I say, for all that has been, thanks, and for all that will be, yes. Milestones in the life of individuals or institutions are occasions to go back to our roots and to take stock of what is accomplished. It is also an opportunity to re-energize ourselves, to carry on the vision, mission and charism of our founders with greater zeal and fervor. This grace-filled year has instilled within us Ursulines a relentless and deep urge to delve deeper into the spirit and spirituality of Anne Santonge. Our foundress was a woman far ahead of her time. She lived and fulfilled her mission at the beginning of the 17th century, when girls in France were deprived of formal education. She sacrificed all the comforts and security of her home and traveled to an enemy country because she was filled with a passionate love for God and His will for her. The society that she founded in 1606 continues to be inspired by her single-minded devotion to the apostolate, to make God known and loved, and to consecrate her life to Him, happy to spend herself in the service of girls and women, just like the lamp that burns before the most blessed sacrament. May this Jubilee year and the years to come take us deeper into the charism and spirituality of our founders and Santonge.